In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Metamask wallet stuck in the loading screen. So if your Metamask wallet is stuck on the loading screen, here are some steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. So number one, you want to try to restart the browser or the application. So if possible, please close and reopen your browser. For example, if you're using like Chrome or Firefox, or if you're on a mobile device like myself, then you want to go ahead and forcefully close out of Metamask just like so. And then you just want to go ahead and open it one more time. So that really is important. And another thing that you guys want to go ahead and check is your internet connection. So you need to make sure that your internet connection is stable, because a weak connection can prevent Metamask from loading balances or connecting properly. And also, if you're using something like a VPN, that can cause issues, and same thing with using mobile data. So you really want to go ahead and use Wi-Fi that is stable and secure, because that is going to increase your chances significantly of Metamask loading in properly. Also, while you're here, you want to go ahead and make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Metamask. So if you're using a mobile device like myself, then you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store if you're on an Android, the App Store if you're on iOS, and then you want to locate the app and you just want to go ahead and press on update. There's typically going to be a button that says update, so you want to go ahead and press on that. But if you don't see a button that says update, then that means you have the most recent version of Metamask, and that is a good thing. All right, so now let's go ahead and work with the desktop at the moment, and that is because there's a few specific issues that could be happening when you're trying to open Metamask on a desktop. So number one, you want to limit the amount of other external web browsers that you're using. So if you're using like a ton of them over here, for example, this one really isn't that much, but if you're using like way too many extensions, that could be causing issues, and you want to go ahead and just turn them off and just make sure that MetaMask is the only one currently enabled. And another reason why this could be happening is that you are on the wrong network. So here's all the different networks we have. So by default, we're going to be on the Ethereum mainnet, but what could be happening is that you're just on the wrong network, and you want to go ahead and select on the correct network. So you want to go ahead and try out like the Linea mainnet over here and Solana just like so, or any of these additional networks. So it really is up to you guys, and it really depends on how you did set up your account as well. And while you're here, please disable any ad blockers or VPNs, because those could be causing issues as well. What you could also do is you can go ahead and use a different web browser as well. So if you're trying to use Google and you notice that it's not working, try to use something like Firefox, because that could actually get the job done. Some web browsers just aren't optimized for MetaMask, for example. So you guys can try other web browsers and see if that does work. But if none of those things work, then what I personally recommend that you guys do is try to contact the MetaMask customer support. So over here, you should see this option that says MetaMask support. You guys could also just go ahead and Google MetaMask customer support, and it is basically going to direct you to the same thing. And once you're over here, you will need to go ahead and connect your wallet. But you guys could also go ahead and talk to support down here as well. And basically, you want to explain to them your situation, explain to them that MetaMask is not loading in, and they should be able to help you. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.